Cookies for breakfast may sound a little naughty, but not this recipe. These are healthy and full of goodies, including fresh berries. So into a bowl, I'm going to add 2 ripe bananas. You want the bananas to be quite ripe because the riper they are, the sweeter this mixture is going to be. I don't want to be adding too much sugar to this because we've got maple syrup and the sweetness from our fresh berries. So bananas, I'm just breaking up into small little pieces. And then you can use any nut butter you like. Peanut butter works great. I've got some almond butter and we'll just add that. So essentially we're adding the wetter ingredients first and then the dry ingredients, along with a splash of maple syrup. And we'll just give that a mash with a fork. It's just easier. All together. It doesn't have to be super smooth. I kind of like this to be slightly chunky, but at the same time, they're cookies, so just give it a very quick mix and break up those bananas so it's evenly distributed throughout the nut butter. And now for the dry ingredients. So some instant oats. I like to add some coconut, so desiccated coconut, and some pumpkin seeds, pepita seeds. You can use any other seed you like, and a pinch of cinnamon. Let's fold that through. And we're just going to combine everything. Now, it may look dry, but I assure you, after you give this a really good mix, it's going to be the perfect consistency. What we're wanting is to form tablespoon balls of this mixture to form our cookies. So to form these, to make sure that they're really even, I use a tablespoon, and I also just wet my hands. We'll grab a spoonful. And by wetting your hands, nothing is going to stick. So that's my little tip. We'll place that onto a tray that I've lined with baking paper. And then when you place them on, just make sure you've got a bit of space between each of the cookies. Press down on it slightly and we can add our raspberries. Now, I love raspberries, but you could also use blueberries, blackberries, whatever you can get your hands on. And then I'm using half and we're just going to press that down. So I'll make a few more of these. They go into a hot oven, 200 degrees. How gorgeous are these cookies? They're simple, healthy and convenient because you can make them the day ahead. This is the ultimate brekkie on the go.